Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you the data types in Dart programming language. So for that, I'm creating a new file here, simple one, and I say data types dot Dart, remember? And here again I create a void main, simple one. So main is ready. Now here we have four types of primary data type in Dart. Like we have an int. So I say num1 equal to 10. Then I can say that string we have. I say name equal to Dr. Vipin Devatiya. This one. Then I say bool or double. I say double equal to 24.6 like this. Then I say bool and I say here check equal to true. Remember? Now we can display this print and I say num1 like this. Then I similarly create for print function and here I say name. Then I say variable name should be there. So I say here value. So I say here value and there I say check. Remember that there are four types of value here. Integer, just like int we have in Java and C++ or C also. So we just use here int, the variable name and the value. Then here number, string, then we have a name, then you put a string and double quote, and you can put in single quote also. Then we have a double value, then we have a bool value. So there are four types of values are available in Dart programming language. Now if you want to run this, so what we have to do? We have to do Dart and then run and then the data types dot Dart. Press enter and you will see that 10, then Dr. Vipin Devatiya 24.6 and true. So like this you can run and learn the data type in Dart programming language. Remember that you can also find out the type of this. So we can say run type, runtime type. So you will see it will, if I run it again, so it will tell you that this is the int type of data. Remember, similarly you can put in name also and you can find out the length also. So I say length. So again if I run and you will see that it will display the length means 16 length is there in Dr. Vipin Devatiya. You have 16 characters there. So this string is similar to the Java object. Remember that, but it's look like here this as capital, then double also, then bool also, like in Java we have, but we do not have a other data type which we have in your Java like byte, short. We have simple int, then double. If you have a number, then int. If you have a fraction value, decimal value, then double. If you have the, you can say true and false type of boolean type of value, then we have this. And if you have the string, then you can use string data type. So simple four data types are there. Primary data types are there in Dart programming language. I think it's very simple to learn data types in Dart and you also remember this. It's very easy to understand. So if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.